Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a exciting video. I'm going to be trying a little device that's been going all over Instagram and social media and YouTube. So I wanted to give it a shot, and just because it's so cute, and I don't know, everyone was trying it out and I'm like, why not? So I did buy the little washing machine that's been going around. It's actually been going around in pink, but I decided to get the black one because it looked, you know, cuter. I want to see how it works and if it indeed does wash the sponges and brushes like everyone is saying it does. So yeah, if you want to see the video and how this little gadget works, then please keep watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much, and let's get started. I took it out of the package. This is how it looks. When you open it up, it brings a little container or a little like a wash load, which is so cool. Got it. And it looks like this. So this is where basically you would put the sponge or the brush to wash. So you put that right in there and then you add some water, then it closes. It's so cute. It also has this right here, which is the little hose that spits out the water, which I think is so cute as well. And it takes 2 AA batteries, which I already added. And yeah, let's try it out. I have my water here, and it's just regular water. I have it in this glass, so I'm going to be adding that right into the little machine. That's so freaking cute. To attach this here because I don't want the hose to be flying everywhere and the water getting in. Okay, so now that the water is in, I wanted to add a little bit of antibacterial hand soap, which is just regular hand soap, and that's what I'll use to, you know, wash the sponge. So I'm actually going to just dump the sponge, and like I said, this is a Juno sponge, which is very dirty and full of foundation. I'm gonna actually flip it and put it the other way because this is the dirtier part. So yeah, that way. And I'm going to close the lid and press the button to see if this works. That sounds so cute. I'm also going to be washing this Sonic Blend brush by Michael Todd, and it looks like this. Very dirty as well, with lots of foundation. So I don't know, I guess I'd leave that for 1 minute and let it work, but it's so cute. Do you guys hear that? It sounds like a little washing machine. I love that I got the black and gold too, because that's so cute. So I'm gonna zoom that in so you guys can see how cute. Okay, so let's see. It's been about a minute, and okay, so there is you know, foundation coming out, but it doesn't look like it did anything. Honestly, maybe a little tiny bit because, you know, the water is pretty dirty, but I don't know. Let's put it back in there. Let's see. It does a little more. I've seen some reviews and a lot of people said it worked and a lot of people said it didn't work, so I don't know. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion right here. And honestly, this thing costs like $3, so you're not really spending too much money on this device. If you look it up on Amazon, I will link the exact link where I purchased it and the different colors, because they have so many different colors as well. It's not only the pink and this one. They had like a teal, a purple, all types of colors. So yeah, you can check them out if you wanted to purchase it. It's not really something I think I would highly recommend. I did want to have this on my channel just because, you know, a lot of people had asked me about it when I purchased it. I thought it was just so cute. So I'm like, okay, so this is really something people want to see. So yeah, I don't think I recommend buying this as a brush and sponge cleaner. It is so cute just to have. I think it's cute. I'm probably gonna end up giving this to my daughter to play with because I already have a brush cleaner, but I thought it was just so cute. So now let's see again. I'm gonna stop it and show you guys. And the second time. It still looks the same. So I don't think it works for sponges. Maybe it'll work for the brush, but I think it got a little bit out. I can't say it didn't get anything out. It got somewhat of it, but it's still there a lot. So I don't think that's, you know, helpful for that. I'm gonna try now the brush and see. So now that I washed the sponge, I wanted to go in and wash the brush to see how good it is. Guessing you can't put a lot of pressure on it, so yeah, just going to try to just leave it on top, not pushing a lot of pressure. But I do feel like the brush has cleaned a lot. If you can tell by the water, it is super dirty, and it's actually doing a great job on the brush. On the sponge, not so much. But I think we have a winner. I think this is worth it for the brush. Wow, yeah, it did pretty good. Guess the circular motions help clean the brush a lot. I know that one of my brush cleaners does the circular motions, and I'm guessing that helps a lot. So since this does circular motions, that's obviously helping. Because look at that water. It is nasty now. Disgusting. So yeah, I think we have a winner. So the machine works well on the brushes, not on the sponge. So for the $3 and or $4 that I paid for, I think it's worth it. It's cute to have. For somebody who doesn't have a brush cleaner like those fancy ones that are like $50, I think this is a good alternative to, you know, when you're in a rush or whatever it is and you need to quickly dip your brush into a cleaner, then this is perfect. And it's only $3 and you can find it on Amazon or anywhere else. So yeah, I hope you like this video and my little review on this little device. I think it's the cutest little thing in the whole wide world. So let me know if you like videos like this, and I will continue to do little videos like this of little weird devices. Mwah! Thank you so much for watching.